of that troublesome hedgehog?
Not exactly, Dr. Robotnik.
What do you mean, not exactly? Either there is or there isn't.
When I Emergency light, Dr. Robotnik, monitor 10 to 10 to 10 to 10.
Isn't that one of those fetid little freedom fighters?
Affirmative, sir. His name is Tails, and he is usually accompanied by Sonic.
Take him. Perhaps his cries will flush out the hedgehog.